Japan made a sandwich that looks like a dessert. The internet made it viral, and today I'm gonna see if I can do it better. Right, we want to start with 165 grams of cheese. Soft cheese, Philadelphia, cream cheese. Don't ask me why I've used a whisk to try and do this either. I think it's because I'm a knob. I'm just gonna break it up with the biggest whisk in the world. And in there, we'll go some sugars. So just one big spoon. And in there, we're gonna put a drop of vanilla bean paste. Not much, just half a litre. And now we add 500 mils of double cream. Now I know someone kicked off about cream in an earlier video, saying like cream is a myth and cream isn't real, and some other stuff. Well no, it's kind of just milk, but with more fat content. I don't really know the point what he was getting at, but yeah, you're right, buddy. So we're just gonna whip this up now with the biggest whisk in the world. We are definitely not gonna use some power tools when I cut away. So remember kids, hard work and determination pays off. So we're just gonna put that in the fridge now, let it rest for half an hour, and I will see you then. Oh, what's this here? Let's just move that out the way. So I've just added some strawberries, blended them up, and I'm gonna put some sugar in there, and that's gonna be strawberry syrup. That's basically it. Nice and clean, nice and clean. So this is Japanese milk loaf, and it's quite expensive. So we need to get some nice slices out of this. So first I'll trim the edge off. Dog will have that or something. And now I need to get some nice slices. I think you're supposed to trim the crust off, but I think the crust makes it look better. The crust makes it look like a sandwich, so I'm gonna leave the crusts on. And also, if I trim the crusts off, there'll be nothing left. Let's start with the classic Japanese convenience store sandwich. So here's our cream that's been setting in the fridge. We're just gonna spoon on the cream onto our bread and try and get it of a similar consistency or a similar level. So you're supposed to use full strawberries for this, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it because it'll just look better if it's cut. From one end to the other, I'm gonna place these, get over here. Just gonna place these strawberries. And we'll bring our strawberry sauce, strawberry syrup back from earlier. This has got a bit of acidity as well, so this is gonna help. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna dunk that side straight in there. Literally just get a layer of it on there. Like that. And that is gonna go on the inside of it. So if you just watch carefully, that's going on there like that. And then you just push down, trying to keep the cream and strawberry level. I'm just gonna use the knife to do this. So if we just put our cling film on there, put that on our cling film. So now that's gonna go into the fridge, basically just to set, and then we'll get it out, cut it, and we'll see what it looks like. So the next one we're gonna do is a tiramisu. So let's get that on there just to soak our bread a little bit. I'm just literally gonna drop it down and pick it up, just so it covers one side. Drop it down and pick it up. And that's it. That's all we're gonna use the Baileys for. And here I just have some instant coffee that's made very strong. I'm just gonna put a couple teaspoons in there. And then in there, we're gonna put some of our cream and just give that a mix around. So that's just gonna go straight on our bread, Bailey's side. Spread it out, try and be as even as possible. Try and make it as symmetrical as possible. So now the other side goes on and push from the middle so that it spreads out to the outer sides. And there you have it, the tiramisu Japanese convenience store sandwich. That goes in the fridge now to semi-set, semi-harden. So here I've got some homemade lemon curd, definitely not made by Sainsbury's. I'm gonna paint my bread just like that. And what I'm gonna do with that now is put it in to my pie crust until there's no lemon curd visible. We'll get some crumbs on there just to put them on top, push it in. But what we're gonna do with that one is we're gonna pop it in some crushed meringue nests. And obviously it is covered, but because it's so fine, it's basically looking like it's dissolving on the top. So we'll just cover that completely. So right here, right now, right here, right now, right here, right now, is our pie crust element and our meringue element. And obviously in the middle, this is probably the most stable, so I'll put this one upside down for now. You can put lemon curd in the middle as well. I'm not gonna, because I think it's already overkill. But this is the best Japanese convenience store sandwich already. So now, put that side on the top, push out, and now that is also going in the fridge to set, harden, etc. And then I will see you for a taste test, and we're gonna find out which one tastes the best, the strawberry, the lemon, or the tiramisu. So this is the classic Japanese convenience store sandwich. This is the strawberry one. Obviously I've added a bit of syrup just to make it a little bit better, because strawberries and cream, although classic, could be better, and that's what I've done. Let's try it. Wow, that is really nice. This bread is not easy to come by. Next up, let's go for tiramisu. So the tiramisu one has been, the bread's been soaked in Baileys, and then there's coffee cream in the middle. I didn't want to add lady fingers and soak them in alcohol and all that palaver, because there's already bread. So I didn't want that to be bread and more bread. Straight away, exactly like a tiramisu. Exactly like a tiramisu. The bread obviously is the cake element to the tiramisu. There's Baileys in there, so you get that touch of alcohol, and then a coffee cream. Very nice. The piece de la resistance, the one that's gonna make me get the Hoover out. Here is the lemon meringue pie, viral Japanese cake bread loaf thingy-majiggy sandwich. So on this side, we've got crushed meringue, and on this side, we've got pie crust. But it's not, it's crushed digestives, because, you know, ain't nobody got time for that. So let's give it a go. By far, the best one. Kind of biased, because I love citrusy things, but by far, the most flavorful, the most zingy, the most sweet, the most complex. Lovely, lovely. So let's rank them. Tiramisu, good idea. There's not really much you could do to improve on that. I mean, it is what it is. But this is third. The original Japanese convenience store one, this is second. And our winner, without a shadow of a doubt, our winner, the lemon meringue pie, viral Japanese convenience store cake sandwich bread thing. Absolutely lovely. Yeah, highly recommend. Yes. If you want me to do this again with whatever, a different kind of spin on it, different flavors, let me know in the comments and I'll do that. But until next time,